video, I'm going to show you how to perform the kettlebell swing properly. To start, you want to set a kettlebell flat on the floor, and you want to position yourself so that you make a triangle between your feet and the kettlebell. So you're probably about 12 to 16 inches behind the kettlebell. From here, you're going to set your glutes tight and your back into a neutral spine position, and you're going to bend at your hips and your knees into a hip hinge to grasp the bell and tilt it by tightening your lats. Once you've mastered that, you can start to hike the kettlebell. From that tilted position, you're going to pull the kettlebell into your body, thinking about connecting your arms to your torso and pulling your hands behind you. Once you can do those two steps, you're going to finish the swing by forcefully extending your quads and glutes. The bell should then float up to about shoulder height. At the top of the swing, we call this the float. The bell remains motionless for a second. There, you have a tight torso position with your hips and knees locked out. You'll then return the bell back to the hike position and then place it on the floor to reset for the next swing. With this exercise, make sure that your spine is in a neutral position throughout and that you're ending that swing at a straight back position without arching or placing undue stress on your lower back. And that's how you perform the kettlebell swing.